Thanks for joining us today on Diary of a Money Maker, where we help you build wealth and create financial freedom. Today, we're discussing 10 passive income streams you can start immediately to improve life for yourself and your families. Now, let us dive straight into those ideas. Passive income idea number 1, start a YouTube channel. First up, become a creator on the platform you are now on, YouTube. Here you can leverage your passions and expertise by starting a YouTube channel. Share valuable content, build an audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's a fun way to earn passive income while doing what you love. Passive income idea number 2, dividend-paying stocks. Next, you could consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. These stocks pay you a portion of their earnings regularly, providing a steady stream of passive income. Research solid companies with a history of consistent dividends to build a reliable income stream. Passive income idea number 3, rental properties or Airbnb. Real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Consider investing in rental properties or listing your space on Airbnb. With proper management, rental income can provide a hands-off stream of passive income, helping you grow your wealth over time. Passive income idea number 4, create and sell digital products. In today's digital age, there's a market for all kinds of digital products, ebooks, courses, printables, you name it. Create digital products once and sell them repeatedly, generating passive income with minimal ongoing effort. It's a scalable way to monetize your expertise. Platforms like Canva allows you to create these products even if you have minimal or no design skills. Passive income idea number 5, start a blog. Starting a blog as a means of generating passive income has been a popular idea for quite some time now. Starting a blog typically requires minimal upfront investment compared to other business ventures. You will need a domain name and web hosting. The WordPress platform is very user-friendly to get your blog idea off the ground. There are several ways to monetize a blog, such as displaying ads through networks like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, and offering premium content or community access for a subscription fee. Starting a blog as a passive income stream can be a viable option for those willing to put in the initial effort and stay committed to providing value to your audience. Passive income idea number 6, high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit. While traditional savings accounts offer minimal interest, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit offer higher returns with little to no risk. Park your emergency fund or extra cash in these accounts to earn passive income on your savings. Always do proper financial research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making a decision with your money. Passive income idea number 7, affiliate marketing. Harness the power of affiliate marketing by promoting products or services you love. Sign up for affiliate programs, share your unique referral links, and earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your link. It's a win-win for you and the companies you promote. Passive income idea number 8, create a mobile app. If you have coding skills or a killer app idea, consider creating a mobile app. Once developed and launched, your app can generate passive income through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. It's a competitive market, but with the right concept, your app could be a game changer. You could always hire someone to create the app for you on Upwork or Fiverr if you are unable to do so on your own. Passive income idea number 9, royalties from creative work. Do you have a talent for writing, music, or art? Leverage your creative skills to earn royalties from your work. Publish books on platforms like Amazon KDP, license music, or sell digital artwork to generate passive income from royalties whenever your work is used or purchased. These royalties may be small in some cases but can really stack up eventually. Just think, you do the work once and you can earn from it forever. Passive income idea number 10, e-commerce. An e-commerce business can provide a source of passive income and potentially even evolve into a thriving enterprise. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces and tools that make it relatively easy to set up an online store, even for individuals with minimal technical expertise. Shopify allows users to create fully customizable online stores with features such as product listings, payment processing, and shipping management. Etsy, on the other hand, specializes in handmade, vintage, and unique items, making it an ideal platform for creators and artisans to showcase their products. The platform attracts millions of visitors, providing sellers with access to a large pool of potential customers without the need for extensive marketing efforts. E-commerce platforms can provide a source of passive income once your store is set up and optimized. You can potentially earn income around the clock, even while you're not actively managing your store. So, that concludes our 10 passive income ideas to help you build wealth for the future. Remember, creating multiple streams of passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. If you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, stay financially free.